In today's video, we will take out the fender of 2022 Ford Escape. First, we will lift up the parking brake, then we will lift up the car. I'm using a 4-wheeler jack to lift up the car, so I don't really need to pull up the handbrake. But if you're using the regular jack that comes with the car, you must lift up the parking brake. Otherwise, the car will fall apart. Now, let's jump into the process. We'll start off taking out some clips from the bumper side as well as some clips from the bottom side. Notice in my case some clips are already taken out, but in your case make sure you take out those extra clips as well. Here the tool that I'm using to take out those clips is door upholstery remover. I took out 2 clips in my case, but in total you're supposed to take out 6 clips in total. Moving a little ahead, notice there is one more clip that needs to be taken out, followed by another clip which is on the other side. It is missing for some reason. Make sure you take this clip out as well. We'll move towards the mudguard side and notice there are also a bunch of clips that needs to be taken out. Notice there is a missing clip towards the inner fender liner side. Make sure you take that clip out, followed by the final clip underneath the trim cover that also needs to be taken out. Once all the clips are taken out, now we can finally pull the trim cover itself. I noticed the door upholstery remover to be very helpful in terms of taking out the clips attached with the trim cover, because the trim cover itself is attached with a bunch of clips inside and you would need a tool to remove those clips. One by one we will pull all those clips until the trim cover completely pops out. I was trying to pull the trim cover and noticed there is still something holding on to it. I noticed there is one more clip attached towards the rocker panel side. Would need to take that clip out as well. With that, we are done taking out the trim cover completely. Notice behind the trim cover there are 2 10mm screws that are hidden. I'll be taking out both of them using an impact gun with a 10mm nut setter, but you can use a round head ratchet with a 10mm nut setter if you want. Both screws are out. Notice the fender losing its grip. Inside the fender, I noticed there is one spot, and I think this spot is damaged, but there is supposed to be a screw there. In your case, if you see a screw there, make sure you take it out. Now, to make the process easy, we will turn the tire a little bit and also push the front of the fender liner a little inside. Portion where the fender is connected with the front bumper, right there we will take out some 10mm screws. That was one 10mm screw. The other screw is a little behind right there. Make sure you take that screw out as well. Just to show you guys, this is how long the screw is supposed to be. Now slightly pull the bumper downwards and notice there is one more Torx screw that needs to be taken out. I'll be using a Torx 30 bit to take the screw out. There's that screw, looks like a sunflower. Notice from the same side there are also 2 more 10mm screws that are supposed to be taken out. Once the screws are out, now we will jump onto the top. Again, we will take out 2 more 10mm screws. Now the side where the windshield wiper cover cowl is, underneath there is a hidden screw that needs to be taken out. Here I'm using a 10mm wrench to take out that 10mm screw. This is a little tight spot because you have to hold windshield wiper cover cowl in order to take out the screw, so make sure you are a little patient in order to take out this screw specifically. Screw is out. Notice the side where the fender is connected with the door. On top there is one final screw that needs to be taken out. It's an 8mm screw, and the best way to take it out is to open the door. Right in the middle of the pillar and the door there is a spot to put your arm, and the tool you'll be needing to use is an 8mm wrench. Assuming the screw is taken out and with a little rock and roll, notice the complete fender is taken down. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.